How to delete Varagesale account. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can delete your Varagesale account. So deleting your Varagesale account is not difficult, although you have to carry out some steps that I'll be showing you in this video. The first step is to log in into your Varagesale account. Once you're logged in, you will be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you would see all of the items shared to you by your fellow users, that is by your fellow Varagesale community members. So as you can see this, the next step is to scroll down or to move down to the lower part of the screen where you can see some icons such as the home icon, notifications, posts, messages, and then profile. Then just go ahead and click on profile. Once you click on profile, you'll be taken to the profiles page. On this page, you can see the profile picture, the profile name. Then you can see options like my stuff, my transactions, following, manage my communities, top members, progress, my friends, settings, help. So as you can see this, the next step is to click on manage my community. Here you would see all of your communities here. So here you can just go ahead and leave the communities one after the other. So this is the first step in deleting your account. You can just ensure you leave the communities one after the other. And how can you leave a community? By selecting the community you want to leave. Once you've selected the community you want to leave, a box will be displayed. Click on leave community and then automatically you would leave the community. Then once you've done that, the next step is to reach out to Varagesale support. Alright, and then on this same profile page by the lower part of the screen, you can see the help option. So just click on it. Then once you click on help, you'll be taken to the help page where you would see frequently asked questions of other people as regards their account. So you can just search using the search bar here, or you can scroll down to the lowest part of the screen where you can see email us. Click on email us and then be redirected to your email. Then compose your message, tell them you want to delete your account, and then you'll be directed on what to do. Then once you're done here, you can now go ahead and uninstall the application from your device. So this is basically how to do it. This is how you can delete your Varagesale account. So if that's what you want to do, ensure you try it out now. Thanks for watching.